going to talk about warehouse and what to do in your warehouse. Some really basic items that most people are already going to have is how to organize your warehouse using an alphanumeric naming scheme word, numeric alpha. Making sure that your workers can pick and quickly retrieve items, find them, and know where everything is. It shouldn't be up here. It should be on a piece of paper. It should be on a screen. It should be somewhere so that you can send your workers very quickly and methodically down aisles to pick items and very easily be able to retrieve those. And then as you're doing that, you're creating a workflow that gets you through your warehouse so that your workers are not running into each other. Your carts can get down the aisles very quickly. And you're now creating pick lists and using logic to get through your warehouse. You can automate these when you're using a service like SKU Vault. You can make sure that these lists are printing for you. You can make sure that you're using a scanning process so that you have accuracy. SKU Vault has a paper and a paperless picking technology. Paper is obviously what it is. You have a piece of paper and you're out there picking. Paperless, we call wave picking, and that means that you're getting your workers down the aisles. And what this looks like is you're moving a cart often down the aisles and you're picking orders and to a position on a cart so that you're not running around and picking a single order at a time. You are using that method where you're going down the aisle, you're picking an item, you put it in a location on your cart, you move to the next location and you pick, so that you're basically snaking up and down the aisles. And as you're doing this with a barcode, your system, the SKU Vault system, will help you know that you've picked the right items in the right quantity. And if you don't, it's going to let you know. And you're using barcode scanning to make sure that you're doing this.
Hey, it's Riya Mittal here. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe to Seller App's main YouTube channel where we upload all things Amazon and some how-to guides that will make sure that you're winning on Amazon. You will not get this anywhere else. Until the next time, happy selling.